my name is Shubham and today we will discuss the topic is called non-access modifiers in Java, and today's date is 16 January 2024. So let's start. Java is a object-oriented programming language and it has a rich set of modifiers. Modifiers are a specific keyword that are used to give the characteristics of variable, method, class or constructor. In Java, there are two types of modifiers. First one is access modifiers and second one is non-access modifiers. So first we see the access modifiers. In Java, there are four types of access modifiers. Basically, they are public, private, protected, and default. The access modifiers are used to provide the characteristics of class, variable, method, or the constructor. Second one is non-access modifiers. Non-access modifiers in Java, they are seven. First one is static, final, abstract, synchronize, volatile, and native. So first we discuss the static. Static is a non-access modifier in Java and it is applicable for variable, method, but static non-access modifier not applicable for top level class, but we can use the static keyword for inner classes. So it is called static nested classes. For instance variable, every object separate copy will be created, but in case of static keyword only one copy will be created and this copy is shared in the whole class. We cannot access the static keyword. We cannot access the instance member directly from the static keyword, but we can access from the instance area. Next one is we can access static member directly from instance area as well as static area also. In static method, static is applicable for inheritance, method overloading, but it cannot applicable for method overriding. We can call it as a method hiding. So next access modifier is final. Final is a non-access modifier in Java and it is applicable for method, variable, and class. When we declare a class as a final, we cannot extend that class. It means inheritance is not applicable for final variable. We declare a final inheritance not applicable for final class. We declare a final class by using final keyword. If we declare a variable as a final, we cannot change the value of that variable. The value of variable is become a constant. Next one is when we declare a method as a final, we cannot override the method. Next one is abstract. Abstract is a keyword which is applicable for class methods. When we declare a class as a abstract, we can create a abstract method as well as non-abstract method in this class. We declare a abstract method by using abstract keyword. The abstract method always incomplete implementation. So we cannot create a object of abstract class. So we cannot declare a static and abstract method as a combination, because abstract method has a no implementation, but static method has a implementation. So this is all about non-access modifiers in Java.